current resolution. Upon direction of the chair, the secretary, ito yung journal, the secretary of the Senate, etc., called the roll, to which the following senators responded: Angara, Arroyo, Cayetano, Santiago, Miriam Defensor Santiago, Drilon, Ejercito Estrada, Enrile, Gingona, Honasan, Lacson, Lapid, Marcos Jr., BBM, Bagong Pilipinas, Osmeña, Pimentel, Recto, Revilla, Soto, Villar. With 18 senators present, the chair declared the presence of a quorum. So, pagdating dun sa sa resolution, sa na yun.
Tandaan niyo yung mga senador na present sa resolution number 10.
Explain si Senator Lacson, tapos